so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey! It's me, Blippi, and today we're at Priest Point Park in Olympia, Washington, and I am going on a hike. I love hiking because you get to be out in the wilderness. Hey, speaking of hiking, I don't have a hiking stick. Maybe I could find one. Do you see one anywhere? Oh, hey, check it out. This is a perfect hiking stick. Amazing! It's so smooth. There's no bark on it. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna get any slivers with this stick. Wow, and look how unique this stick looks. There's a bunch of knots in it. Yeah, whoa! That's a really cool stick. All right, let's test it out. Awesome! And it's really strong. All right, let's continue hiking. Whoa! Whoa! Look down here! Look at what we found! Wow, do you see this? These are clamshells. Yeah, do you see them? Whoa! These used to be fully closed, just like this. And there used to be a clam inside. But now there's no clam. Where'd the clam go? Wait a second. Do you see this? This is a clue. These are feathers. Yeah. Look, bird feathers. Wait a second. I wonder if a bird was hanging out right here. Yeah, maybe it was having lunch. Okay, well, I'm gonna take one of these two feathers and put it in my bag, and I'll show you something really cool later. And one clamshell. All right, let me put it in my bag, and then we'll continue on. Okay, let's go. Oh, gotta stay hydrated. Whoa, look at this plant. This plant is a fern. Wow, it's a beautiful plant. It's so cool looking. Oh, hey, it lost one of its limbs. Yeah, a bunch of leaves are on this. I have an idea. What if we keep this and use it for something really cool later? Let me put it in my bag, just like this. And then I'll show you later. All right, come on, let's go. Whoa, check it out. Whoa, an old tree. Yeah, this tree used to be vertical, and then it fell down. Whoa, and when trees fall down, they decompose, and they allow for a great opportunity for insects, yeah, and animals to have a home. Do you see it? Yeah, insects love to eat these type of trees. Yeah, because then it allows for nutrients to go in the ground. Whoa, hey, speaking of bugs, do you see this? Wow, that is a grasshopper. Hello, grasshopper. Hey, I have something really cool in my backpack. I have what are called bugnoculars. Let's see here. Bugnoculars are great to use to see bugs up close. So what we're gonna do is open them up. Here we go. And then let the grasshopper jump inside. There you go. Jump. Oh. There you go. Just get right in there. Yeah, perfect. Oh, wow. The grasshopper is inside now. So then if I close this up, I can look through the eyepiece. Whoa! And see it really close. Whoa! Check it out. Wow. Wow, what a beautiful little insect. Okay, we should probably let it back. All right, grasshopper, go ahead. Oh, back to your home you go. All right, I'm gonna put these back and continue on. See you later. I am getting so tired on my hike. When I breathe in oxygen. And I breathe out carbon dioxide. In oxygen, out carbon dioxide. But hey, check this out. All these plants and trees and bushes and shrubs, they breathe in carbon dioxide and they breathe out oxygen. They breathe in carbon dioxide and they breathe out oxygen. Isn't that cool? Yeah, we're the opposite of them. We breathe out carbon dioxide, and that's what they breathe in. And then they breathe out oxygen, and we breathe in oxygen. Yeah, we are a great team. Hey, check it out. Do you see these? These are pine cones. How many pine cones do you see? 1, 2, 3 pine cones. Pine cones are so cool looking. Wow. Hey, chipmunks love pine cones because there's little seeds in there that they grab and then they eat. Pine cone seeds. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my bag for later. Yeah, for that special something that I was telling you about. All right, let's continue on. Woo! I spy something really cool. Let me tell you what it is. I spy a half of a tree. Do you see it? Yeah, a half of a tree. Yeah! Check it out. This used to be a whole tree. Yeah, but now it's just a half of a tree. Oh, that's cool. Hey, that was actually really fun. Yeah, I gotta see something, so I say, I spy it, and then you get to look and search and find it. Okay, I'll do another one. I spy something red. Do you see it? Oh, yeah! Look! Wow, it's a butterfly! A red butterfly. Whoa, hey red butterfly! How's your day going? Are you having fun just hanging around? Butterflies are so beautiful. Wow, okay, we'll just let it be. All right, bye-bye, butterfly. Okay, we should probably get continuing on. Hey, check it out. I just found a really good tree to climb on. Whoa! Whee! You have to be very careful when you're climbing a tree. Whoa! 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 What's that? I spy something! I spy the beach! Whoa! Whoa! I love the beach! Whoa! I love the sand! Yeah! And I also love the seagulls! Yeah! Wow, I really enjoy hanging out at the beach all day long! Whoa! Wait a second! What is this? This isn't supposed to be here! This is garbage! Boo! Who left this here? I don't even know! I am so mad! This beach is home to so many critters, and it is our duty to keep Earth nice and clean! Yeah, would you want your home dirty? No, I sure wouldn't. Hey, I have an idea. Why don't you and I clean up the beach? That sounds like fun. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Check it out. I have my garbage sack. Yeah, I'll put all the garbage in here. And then I have my garbage grabbers. Yeah, it's like a claw. All right, let's pick this piece up. All right, I'm using these grabbers because I definitely don't want to touch this. I have no idea where that was before. All right, here we go. Okay, I see a shell. That should be there. Oh, this should not be here. This looks like a soda can. Yeah, a pop can. All right, put it in there. Perfect. We collected 2 pieces of garbage. Wait a second. Here's another one. 1, 2, 3. Our 3rd piece of garbage. There we go. I am so happy that we're cleaning up this beach. Here's another. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th piece of trash is in here. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here. Yeah, 6. We collected 6 pieces of trash. Good job. But we're not done yet. This beach is so dirty. Here's the last piece. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces of trash. Good job. Whoa! That was so much fun cleaning up the beach with you. All right, I'm gonna put this in the trash can. Bye-bye, garbage. Good job. Well, I should probably get my hiking stick back so then we can continue to hike. Woo! Got it. I am now ready. Whee! That was so much fun today going on a hike with you. We learned so much. We got to learn about plants. We played some search and find. Yeah, I spy. That was a lot of fun. Hey, we even saw some insects. Yeah! And probably most importantly, we cleaned up the beach. Good job. Hey, remember earlier that we found some things? Yeah, we found this fern. Yeah, I'm gonna show you something really cool with it very soon. And then we found this shell. Yeah. We found this pine cone. And we found this bird feather. Wow. Okay, we'll put that right there. Okay, well, this stick used to be a hiking stick that we used all day. That was great. But we're actually gonna turn it into what's called a journey stick. Yeah, indigenous people from different countries used to make what's called journey sticks. They would collect things on their hikes and their journeys, and then they would put them on their sticks in chronological order, so then they can remember where they've been. So let's do that now. So let's take this big fern, put it right there. I actually have some orange string. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it around. Okay. Perfect. Doesn't that look good? Whoa, pretty cool, huh? Okay. Wow. This looks so cool. Yeah. It's like a stick with a fern on it. Okay, what else? Oh yeah, we have the shell. That's gonna be tricky to put on there, but I think we can do it. There it is. You see that? Yeah, this is looking awesome. And then we have this pine cone that I'll put right below that shell, just like that. And then gotta loop this around so then they'll hold on to it. Ooh, all right, we are almost done. See, we have the fern, the shell, the pine cone, and last but not least, the feather. Okay, I'm gonna put it right up top. Right there. See that? All right, check it out. How does this look? Whoa! Woo! Well, this is the end of this video. I had so much fun learning with you. But if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Blippi. Blippi. Good job. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!